Ooh, the first batch of my packages came. Now gotta wait for my tires. Okay, the tires are finally here. Okay, it's time to get the tires on. As you can see while I'm driving, the alignment's off. So I gotta do the alignment, imbalancing, etc. So it's like a 10-minute drive from my house to the place. So everything took a while for it to get done. So now driving back home, as you can see, the alignment's way better than it was before earlier in the video. I'm glad it turned out good. Thanks for watching this little quick update on Miata. So I'll see ya guys later. Bye.